I bet you don't know that if you make any single mistake when you're setting up Facebook payout, like the payout side, if you make any mistake, Facebook basically going to deny you your payment at the end of the month. But if you follow this process, these steps I'm about to mention in this video, it's going to save you time and error and guessing what did I do wrong, what is the problem, because a lot of people are going through payout issue because of one single mistake. But in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to set it up without any problem, because I just finally helped someone to set up his on. Before that, go and get these documents I'm about to mention right now. First is what? Your bank details. Yes, very important. And let it be dollar account. If you don't know how to create, if you don't know how to go about it, go to any bank of your choice, any bank that you're operating, tell them to what that you need dollar account. They are going to tell you what you need to provide. Some people they'll ask you to bring $50, some they won't even ask because you already have accounts with them. Do you understand? The next thing you are going to be needing was your tax identification number. That is your tax. You can use government tax, which is either states or federal. But I basically what use federal because when using federal, they're not going to charge you a lot. If you don't know how to go about it, you can DM me on Facebook. I'm going to teach you how to create your own tax identification number for free. The next thing you'll be needing is what? Your Swift code. Get it from that bank that you have accounts with them. Tell them that you want to do online something, that somebody wants to send you money, and the money should be what dollar. They are going to give you Swift code. Then the next thing you'll be needing is your postal code. You can go to your post office of your choice, post office around your state where you're living. Ask them to give you what your postal code. Okay, don't Google anything I'm saying here. Don't make the mistake to Google. Okay? This is the most important thing that you need to know: your address and your name. Let it match. With all this I just mentioned, your tax, whatever, your bank details, let it match, and your address, let it do the same. If you have anything, if you have all these things ready, then you can get started. And when you click get started, you are going to answer a few questions about yourself and your tax information. So don't make mistake, pay attention. First question they are asking you here is, what is your tax clarification? Are you individual or business? If you are doing business, you click business. If you're individual like content creator, you click individual. Then the next question is what? Are you a US citizen, a US permanent resident, green card holder, or other US residence alien? If you reside in US, you have green card, you can click what? Yes. If you are not, you click no. Then the next one is what? Are you acting as intermediate agents and other personnel receiving payments on behalf of another person or as a flow-through entry? This is all about if you are agents. If you're not agents, it is your own account. You click what? No. But if you're asking as agent, you click what? Yes. Don't make this mistake. Then you are going to what? Click next. You can actually read all this in your scene. How do I determine my tax clarification? How do I determine if I'm US resident alien? When you click on this thing, it's going to open article for you to read and understand what the meaning of all these questions I just ask you to answer. When you are done, you click next. Another page is going to open for you now. Let me explain something here. When you click next, this page is going to appear. Before, you can see that they already fill it for me. That means when they send you content monetization, they are going to ask for your tax ID, your name, your full name. They are going to fill it first before they are going to send you this. They are going to fill this one you're filling right now. Don't get confused. To do here is just for you to select your country of residence, where you reside. If you're in UK, you click there. If you're in US, just check back all this in your scene, all the countries. Any country where you're from is going to appear there. Search for it. For me, I'm from Nigeria. I'll click Nigeria. Automatically, they already have my tax identification. It's already there. The next thing the question you're going to answer here is taxpayer identification number, which is TIN. If you're in US, you say I have a US TIN. If you're outside US, you check mark I have a non-US TIN. It's already there because you already filled it at the beginning of when they sent you this content monetization. You guys understand me? Don't make mistake. Then you click what? Next. Then when you click next, this section is going to appear. Your details are there already. Like I said, they will send you that invitation. You are going to fill in your details. So before they will send you this one, like this one you're filling right now, they already have your details. Do you understand? Your address, your postal code. They all need to do was click next. You understand? When you click next, this is where a lot of people make mistake, because when you click next, they'll ask you claim of tax treaty benefits. Then they will ask you to choose country of the residence. When you click this country of the residence, they're going to tell you that you're not eligible, blah blah blah. Just click next. Okay, just click next, and make sure that you choose your country. Choose your country where you're from. Okay, and click next. When you click next, this is where a lot of people make mistake. This is where you're going to read the agreements, contact us to continue. Just check my that and read all these things. Then here we are, a lot of people make mistake. They ask me to us, check my this that I clarify that I have the capacity to sign for the person identified on line 1 of this form. Then you are going to write your full name. Don't make a mistake, and let it match with what is on your documents, whether your national identification number, your tax ID, your bank account, everything should be the same. And here is how to write it. Your first name first, then your middle name and your last name. Do you understand? Your first name first, your middle name, then your last name. Your last name was your surname. Then you click next. Don't make mistake. Sorry, remember to write the date of that day. As you're seeing on the screen, write the date on that day. Very important. Then you check mark this thing and click next. Then allow it to load. This is going to appear. Review and submit. You check mark this thing you're seeing, and then you submit. Allow it to load. When you finish loading, this is going to appear. Your tax information is complete. Just click done, and boom, you are done what? Creating, updating your what? Your details. And don't forget that as part you are going to add your payment method, like where you want them to be paying you. I did not what record that part. I did not record the payout side. Let me just tell you guys what you are going to see there in case if you want to fill that part. When you go to that payout, they are going to ask you, do you want to choose either PayPal or bank transfer? As in Nigeria, where you are, depend on the region where you are. Like, choose your bank. They are going to ask you for your bank name, bank account. You should be dollar. That dollar account they give you. Swift code, very important. They are going to add all this in there. Then you click submit. Very simple. Very simple. It's not that stressful. As long as you have the document, it's not that stressful. Watch me to this extent, I'm not subscribed. What are you ready for? Subscription is free. You are not paying me for anything. So hit that subscribe button. If you have any question, you can drop it in the chat. If you want me to guide you on how to set it up, if you don't have to go about it, you can reach out to me on Facebook, Blessing Easy TV. I am going to help you with token amounts of money. I need to do the first time coming across my video. I am Blessing Easy TV across all platforms. I share content tips, Facebook growth strategies like the one you just monetization update, like the one you just watch now, and little bit of comedy. So if that's kind of content you like to watch when you come here, hit that subscribe button. Subscription is free. Until next time, Blessing Easy TV is out. Scroll wisely. Bye.